Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm Truly Tara, and here I do reviews on skincare, makeup, do unboxings, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and today I have Private Society. So, if you're new here, like, subscribe, comment. We are well on our way to 150, where we're going to do another giveaway. We're at 127, which blows me away. So thank you so much, everybody that has subscribed. Thank you to everyone that is commenting. It means everything to me. And I hope, because there's sometimes people will go back in old videos and comment, and I won't realize it until, way later. So if I don't respond to you, I will get to you. But I just want to say thank you. You guys are absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's unbox this. This box is a mystery box and it is $80. No shipping cost. It's just a flat $80. So it's expensive stuff. And that's why I took advantage of the mystery box, because if you go to their site, everything just seems to be up there. So I was like, well, I can do the $80 and see if the stuff is worth it. So let's go. All right. So first thing is Private Society Complexion Perfection Trio Cosmetics. Unlock your beauty. And it is sponges. I usually use brushes, but that feels really dense. A lot of the sponges, I mean, these look like regular sponges, but the feel is a little different. Very, very squishy, but very dense is the only word that I can think of. Okay. And you can never have too many brushes, too many sponges. Okay. So, oh, okay. Next, we have AMP High Voltage Electrified Lips. Check out that packaging. That's awesome. So it's metal and matte 3-in-1 double-ended liquid lip. Oh, very pretty. So there's that. I may as well just, because what I have one is really light. I probably should have put this on first. I think this goes over that. Wow, that is light. Very nude. Very nude. I hope I get a darker color. I hope there's another one in here. Okay. So next you get, it looks like a makeup bag. Oh, okay. It's a little, yeah, a little makeup bag, a little purse. And of course it says Private Society. Cosmetics. Okay. Yep, just a makeup bag. Cool. I don't like black for a bag or something, because you get makeup all over your fingers, and black shows all of that makeup. So, okay. Next we have lip things. I love that packaging. I love that little key. So, okay. Perfect Pout Shine and Plump Lip Cover Collection. I do not have my scissors here like I'm supposed to. Okay, almost. Oh, come on. Okay. So I wonder if these are supposed to be, if they have like the tingly, like plumper stuff usually does. Okay, usually I'm complaining about, like, I usually love these kind of colors, but it's just so light. So let's try maybe to put this one on. And, ooh, I do feel it. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that. All right, so you have just the other two is kind of, that's a kind of a peachy color. And then you just have gloss. So I'm feeling that it's not too much. It's not too crazy. I don't have a lot of plumpers, so I'm very glad to get. I think I have maybe one or two, and they've just kind of been there. They didn't overwhelm, or not overwhelm me, but they didn't. I can't think of what they are, so they didn't blow me away. Okay, On Point Brow Definer. I'm not even gonna. Well, I'll open it. I was gonna say I won't open it, so that way I can. I'm not gonna use it because I don't do my brows. Maybe I should, but it's just not something that I do. It looks like all the others. They all look the same. But I guess if you don't do your brows, like, I guess, I don't know, all mascaras probably look the same. If you don't wear mascara, you don't really know, you can't tell what the differences are. Okay. So another, oh, this is a contour stick. Contour Confidential. Oh, and I didn't notice at the top. Little, that's so cool. Okay, so you got okay, so that's ooh. I'm not gonna try this right now, but I look forward to trying this. I'm about out of my Charlotte Tilbury stuff, my highlighter, so I'm gonna try this, and hopefully it's as magical. We'll see. Oh, there it is. Okay. Leading Liner Pro Wing Liquid Eyeliner. So far, this is a great box just to try their stuff. I mean, you're getting a little bit of everything. So I'm loving that. So just black. Whoa. What just happened in there? Whoa, I'm trying to put it back in and it's like popping it back out. What? What is going on? It will not go back in. There we go. There we go. Okay, and one last one of these. Oh, Gloss Boss Lipology. This is, nothing's wanting to work for me today. Come on out. Oh, it's okay. It stayed in there. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Let me see. I mean, there's really nothing. It's just Lush Life is all, and then that little itty bitty writing I can't see. So, I mean, I guess this is just another. Okay. Well, we got something a little darker. Okay. Okay, so last but not least, pretty sure this is going to be a palette. Oh, wow. Okay. It says Girl Boss. I adore that. I love it. Oh, I so need to keep. There we go. I've got to remember to leave my scissors or my little knife here. Awesome. Unlock your beauty. Okay, and then you open it and the mirror says, P.S. Invest in yourself. And I love that. So the colors are First Class, Insta Famous, Status Symbol, CEO, Brunch, Iconic, Socialite, Hundo, Jet Setter, Moneymaker, VIP, and Friday. And I love those colors. That's gonna be awesome. And it comes, this is the first palette that I've got in a long time that it actually comes with a brush. Awesome. I don't even think I've ever got one that comes with a brush. Usually they come with the, you know, the little paddle. So I'm excited to use this stuff. This, I mean, I have so much lip stuff right now. It's insane. So a couple of those lippies will go into my next giveaway. Yeah, so that's it. You have to love the packaging. That packaging is absolutely amazing. And yeah, I mean, you got a little bit of everything to fill this bad boy up. So that was a great mystery box. Now, now we've just got to see if we like the makeup. I'm sure that I will. Let's do a couple of swatches. So yeah, I just touched that a little bit and that came right off. Let's check out this pink. This is Status Symbol. Okay. What is, oh, Hundo. For some reason, I didn't get Hundo, but it just dawned on me what a Hundo is. I'm such a dork. Okay, so hopefully you can see those other two colors. Yeah. So that was worth $80. I mean, it was definitely worth it to get this stuff, see what it's about. It's just like P. Louise when I first invested in the P. Louise. It was a gamble, but I absolutely adore that stuff. So, but what sucks about this is there's not a sub box. This was a one-time thing, but if I really like the palette or the lip stuff, then, you know, I'll order it and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I know I always say that I'm going to do more reviews, and I promise I'm going to. It's just a timing thing. It's just, you know, whenever you work full time, you do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to, I promise. Okay, so I guess that's it. It's time for me to shut up, and I will see you guys in the next. I've got FabFitFun coming. I have a Ipsy surprise mystery bag. So I've got some stuff coming. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.